in this video, I will show you how to get royalty-free image for your Shopify online store. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what we can do is, for example, you can see that I have this image right here. This is just a placeholder image for the down theme. So if you want to actually just change it, what I can do is I can head over it and new tab and search in here for Unsplash. So in here, I can click on the first link, which is unsplash.com. And in here, I can see a lot of images that I can choose from. So for example, I search in here for fashion, since my store is about fashion. So I'll search for that. And in here, I can see some fashion photos in here that I can choose. So for example, for me, I'll just choose the ones that I think is good, which is this one. And in here, if once you have seen this picture, you can see that this has views, it has a lot of downloads. You can see when it is published, what is used in this. And you can click on this download tree right here. And then in here, as you can see, once it is downloading. So you can say thanks by giving a shout out to the owner or social, or copy the text below to attribute right here. So if you click on this for right here, you can see that this has this views as well as the download analytics. Now when you click on the three dots, you can actually see a lot of things right here. So this is actually royalty free, and you can use this as long as you credit out the owner that actually owns it. So since, as you can see right here, it is downloading. So once it is finished downloading, we can actually upload this to our Shopify store. So we can also just look for another photo that we want to use. And when you head over to the actual unsplash.com, you should be able to see their actual license. So as you can see, yes, it's really free. All images can be downloaded and used for personal or commercial projects. And you can learn more about their license when you click on this. All photos can be downloaded and used for free. Commercial and non-commercial purposes, no permission needed. So what is not permitted is you cannot sell the photos, and you can compile photos from Unsplash, replicate a similar or competing service. So let's head over in here on my actual store, click on select image. And in this here, let's head over and upload an image by clicking on add image. Now in here, let's head over and look for the image you uploaded, which is this one. Now click on open right here. And now as you can see, it is uploading on our actual Shopify store. So in here, let's just wait for that to finish the loading process. And once it's been uploaded, just click on the check mark right here and click on done. And then once you have done that, as you can see, the image will change. And the next thing you need to do is to just save the progress that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.